Are you curious about complementary and alternative therapies that can help alleviate your headache? This is part 1 of May All Be Well's 8-video series on natural remedies for headaches. In this video, we'll be sharing about acupuncture, acupressure, reflexology, and Twina. Acupuncture has long been used in the treatment of headaches and is recognized for treating the pain associated with tension headaches and migraine headaches. Research studies suggest that acupuncture may help reduce the frequency of tension headaches and prevent migraine headaches. A meta-analysis published by Vickers et al. Reported that acupuncture leads to persisting clinical relevant benefits for primary care patients with chronic headache, particularly migraine. While some headache remedies may mask the symptoms of the headache for a period of time, this research suggests that the effects of acupuncture for headaches and migraines persists after the treatment, which is great news for chronic sufferers. We spoke with Jean Carr, an acupuncturist in Tucson who specializes in Japanese acupuncture. She shared, "A good acupuncturist considers changes to their mood, sleep, and digestion. So, I'm looking holistically even when I treat a particular symptom like headaches." Jean Carr also shared that the effectiveness of using acupuncture for headache pain depends on your age and how long you've experienced the headaches. Depending on those factors, it may take more or less time for you to experience the results that you're seeking. Jean Carr states, "Some people will tell me their mood is better, their sleep is better, their spouse and children think they're nicer, but their head still hurts. So I like to encourage people to see the entire picture, that I just can't heal your headache. I heal the whole system, and it may take a while for your headache pain to go away." If your aversion to needles isn't too great, consider sticking a needle in it to help your headache go away. Acupressure is a traditional Chinese bodywork technique that involves the use of physical pressure on different pressure points on the surface of the body. The physical pressure can be placed by the hand, elbow, or the aid of a device on the patient's body. Acupressure is known to bring relief through the balance of energies and the circulation of body fluid. Some research studies also suggest that acupressure can be used to help relieve headaches and to lessen the number of headaches that occur. In a systematic review of 15 studies on the effectiveness of acupressure on the relief of pain, published in the Journal of the American Society of Pain Management Nurses, acupressure was shown to be effective at providing pain relief within different types of populations and for various pain conditions, including chronic headaches. And in a clinical study published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine on the effect of acupressure and trigger points in treating headaches, 28 patients who suffered from chronic headaches were placed into 2 different groups. After 1 month of treatment and 6 months of follow-up, it was proven that acupressure was more successful at reducing chronic headaches than the muscle relaxant medication. If this information is intriguing to you, then consider putting a little pressure on your headache using acupressure. Reflexology is an alternative practice involving the application of pressure to the hands, feet, and ears. It is based on the thought that the hands, feet, and ears are connected to certain organs and body systems and can provide health benefits if a massage-like pressure is applied to those areas of the body. In a clinical study that was conducted to test reflexology treatment for headaches, 220 patients with migraines or tension headaches were studied and treated with reflexology. During the 3-month follow-up, it was shown that 81% of patients were helped or cured of their headaches by the use of reflexology, and 19% were able to stop their headache medications. During a systematic review published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine, reflexology was found to be effective for general well-being maintenance and treatment of chronic diseases including headaches. In the study cited, patients underwent treatment for 6 months, and the results were 55% experienced relief, 23% expressed no further recurrence of symptoms, and 11% stopped taking their medications. While anecdotal evidence for the use of reflexology may seem to support its use for headaches, not everyone benefits from its use. Further, the effectiveness of treatments may rely upon the competency of your practitioner. But since negative side effects are minimal, there's generally little harm in experimenting with this alternative treatment modality. Our fourth alternative treatment for headaches is Twina. Twina is an ancient Chinese form of alternative medicine that is thought to be the oldest form of bodywork. It is a type of massage that focuses on specific acupoints where practitioners use fingers to apply pressure to these areas. TuiNa is used to help people with physical pain such as chronic headaches and migraines, as well as mental aspects like anxiety and depression. In a study conducted on the effectiveness of acupuncture combined with TuiNa therapy in patients that suffered from migraines, patients were split into groups where acupuncture was combined with TuiNa, an acupuncture group, and a control group. It was shown that acupuncture mixed with TuiNa was effective at treating migraines, as the frequency of migraines, duration, and severity of pain were all lowered significantly. Another study was conducted that kept track of the efficacy of TuiNa for patients that suffered from chronic neck pain. Of course, neck pain is often associated with headaches, and it is common for people who have intense headaches to also suffer from neck pain. It was shown that TuiNa was effective at relieving neck pain and lowering the intensity of pain from headaches with a mix of massage techniques and relaxation methods provided by TuiNa. There are lots of therapies that are effective, natural remedies for headaches, so be sure to watch the next video where we'll be sharing about massage therapy, myofascial release, Thai massage, and shiatsu. The name May All Be Well is a blessing, and it's something we're putting into the world to help people who are suffering from conditions that can be helped and sometimes healed through the use of complementary and alternative medicine. If you found this information to be helpful, please like and share it with others who may also be suffering. In this way, you may spread the blessing, may all be well, to others. And be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can see our newest videos on alternative therapies and self-care techniques for greater health and well-being. Until next time, may all be well.